Welcome back, Freshwater Fishing Novices, new viewers. My name is Moles. Anyway, this week I'm going to be talking about viewer questions I got last week. I kind of put out a little call to action, I guess is what they call it, asking people to ask me questions. Now, that video didn't do so hot, so I think 26 people, I don't know how many people saw that. Let's see. 43 people watched this video. So there was 43 people that could have asked me a question. And let's see. I think I got 10 comments. No, I want to see this. No, where is it? No. Why can I not see my comments in this section? What the fuck? Where's the comments? I got some questions from mainly one viewer. His name's Bill. Bill's a good guy. I used to serve him at the meat market I used to work at, or the butcher shop. And Bill's a really nice guy. He's funny. He's always positive. Yeah, I miss Bill. I miss you, Bill. Anyway, Bill, I hope everything's going good. I hope you're ready for the holiday season. I hope everyone's ready for the holiday season coming up. I'm not. So let's look at the comments I got left. David Cook said, I surf fish all the time. Most asked question is what I'm using for bait. I never tell another fisherman what I use. I lie and say a lure or a spoon. So it's a good call, especially if you don't want people like messing up where you're fishing, trying to do the same exact thing. You know, I'm sure if it's your friend, you'll be cool about it, but well, maybe not. So Dave, thanks for leaving me a comment. What else we got? The swearing angle. How many rods do you need? Answer he wrote is more. You selling any? So I'm with that guy. He's pretty funny. Thanks to the swearing angler. All right, now we'll get on to Bill. What did Bill say? He said, any type of freshwater fish you can catch with beef, like red meat. Maybe piranha? I'm not really 100% on that, Bill. I don't know. Have any of you guys caught any fish on red meat? Freshwater fish. I'm interested to know if anyone has. Leave it down in the comments below if you have caught any fish on beef. And then he said, middle-aged? You were the fish. Me, Bill. The next question Bill asked, what type of fish do you catch with live bait? Well, Bill, this is an easy one. You can catch pretty much any fish with live bait. Worms are live bait. Night crawlers, those are worms. You could use leeches, crickets, hellgrammites. You could use other fish because fish are savage and they eat fish. You can use live bait to catch fish. A lot of people do it. I just don't. I don't need to go and murder a worm to catch that fish just to release it. So that's kind of why I use lures and soft plastic. Maybe I should be nicer and just not even use hooks and see if that works, because then I'll land a ton of fish. No, I'm not doing that. Tangled Angler said, mic drop, great video. You never disappoint. Tangled Angler, thanks, dude. I'm trying to make better videos. I upgraded my camera. I have better audio, hopefully. Working on lighting. I'm in my new studio, or really just a studio apartment. I've upgraded some stuff, spent more money. Thank God before I had to move, because now I'm completely flat broke and I'm working at a crap job I don't want to work at, and I get to deal with this kind of stuff because kids apparently don't understand the full capacity of their job, and they don't understand they have to throw out the trash that they make. And if they do, they just throw it on the ground near the dumpster, and then I get to spend 15 minutes shoveling it up because these kids are so awesome. They think they're great. God's gift to the restaurant I work at, when I'm not even supposed to talk about it on social media, so you won't hear me say the name of it, but yeah, this restaurant's gross. And these kids need a good ass kicking. Their parents clearly made the wrong choice upon conception. I should be more nice like Bill, forget that. Sorry, went on a little old man anger rant that I gotta pick up someone's fucking trash. All right, next comment, Bill said, you're a very fishy person. Thanks, Bill. I don't know if that's a dig, comment, it's being funny. It's kind of funny. Probably funnier in person if I was gonna guess. And Bill said, you seem like a pescatarian. I wonder if Bill was drinking when he left all these comments. I'm not a pescatarian. Seafood, steaks, burgers, not so much burgers, pizza. I eat pretty much everything. Lamb, not really a big fan of ham or turkey, but I don't know if I'm specifically a pescatarian. Oh good. Here's a massively inappropriate comment for some reason. And it must be because I said I stated that I wasn't married in my last video. Bill said, are you a straight fisher person? And I don't know why that would matter, but yeah, I'm a straight fisher person. Like, ladies, I'm not married because, like my grandma always said, you'll find the right one. That bitch fucking lied. The right one doesn't exist, but I'm not even worried about that. I got enough going on. I don't need to complicate it with a wife or a relationship or anything like that. I got enough stuff to focus on. I got a crappy job. Who the hell wants to marry me? Yeah, I got to find a new job. Or if YouTube would like to blow up my channel, that would be sweet, because then I can stop doing stupid essential working jobs with these asshole kids, and I can just focus on making videos. Traveling around the country would be sweet. I'd like to travel all around the country and fish everywhere. I don't want to compare it to the Never Stop tour that John B does, but I just want to travel. Kind of more like Creek Fishing Adventures. That guy's pretty good guy, and I'd rather travel around, meet different people, meet subscribers, and fish with them, and hopefully make them better at fishing. Maybe I can help them out, give them gear, whatever. I want to travel around, do all that stuff. I don't need that much to survive. I'm just ranting like a motherfucker. motherfucker. If you have any questions pertaining to fishing that you are embarrassed to ask, or you're worried people might judge you on asking, don't worry about that here. You ask a question, I'm going to answer it straight up. Just like I said in my last video, I used to be an instructor and a teacher. I'm going to answer that question honestly, straight up, give you the answer if I know it. If not, I'll research it and look it up and figure it out. Please leave me a comment asking questions. I don't know how many people are going to watch this video, but if you are and you have questions and you're new to fishing or you're trying to get into fishing and you have questions, leave them down in the comments below. I'm more than happy to answer them, even if they're silly questions like Bill. Oh, I want to do something else too. I want to congratulate Evans Boys Fishing right there. These guys started their YouTube channel December 5th, 2022. So it's just over a year. They're almost at 1,000 subscribers. So if you're not subscribed to their channel, say you got a kid and you're trying to fish with them, you can go over and watch a father and son fishing, catching fish. You can watch this kid call his dad dude a lot, which I don't know. I don't think my dad would really like that. I don't know if I'd like it if I was a father. Anyway, a little weird. At least he's not calling him bro. But Evans Boys Fishing, congratulations. You guys are almost at 1,000 subscribers. Your watch views are up. It's crazy. Like, you're blowing my channel out of the water. Good for you. I don't think our subscribers are probably the same. I feel like there's a lot more kids watching your channel, families, and there's a lot more, I don't know, jerks watching my channel? That can't be right. People who think I'm slightly funny watch me overreact or underreact. It doesn't matter. But I want to thank all my subscribers as well for subscribing. If you want, you can share my channel with other people, help it grow. Maybe at some point I can get above 1,000 subscribers. I mean, what am I at? Almost 700, so I only got 300 to go. I've been doing this is my 4th year coming up. I'm really grinding away. And I'd really like to make more videos every week, more than one. I want to get to 2 or 3. And one of my buddies said, you shouldn't overload yourself, especially working full time or 50 plus hours a week at a dumb job. And then I'm doing this, you know, on my days off, as well as trying to fish. Basically, I'm not sleeping anymore. So who cares? Anyway, give me a like. If you're not subscribed, hit subscribe. Leave me a comment if you have any questions. Hope everyone's ready for the upcoming holiday. If you're not, don't worry. I'm not either. Totally unprepared. I don't have any money, so who cares? That's not your problem. That's my problem. Still waiting on PTO, paid time off, from my old job, which I don't even think he's going to give it to me, but I'm going to give him the benefit of the doubt and wait till the end of the year before I... Oh, wait a second. You guys probably thought I was not going to show you any fishing in this episode because it's December. Not happening. I got some fishing for you. But did I say catching? Let's find out. All right, we're at the spot. The water doesn't look frozen. 41, 42 degree air temp. I'm hoping the water's a little warmer, but I only got this one little spot from bank I can fish. Let's stick you on my cam, or my chest here. I think that's good. Don't need the keys. Need the camera. Let's go. Oh yeah. Why did I put my kayak away? Pretty shallow right here. I'm gonna try to cast out to the middle over there. I don't have too long to fish. I gotta go to a dumb job where people don't actually know how to work. So that's fun. Make sure I set this right. Oh, that's too much. I like that. Let's try that again. First cast. It's been like, what, October 31st? Just gonna toss around in this one little section, fan cast, and see if I get anything. Oh, what the happened there?